In this video, I will show you a full beginner's guide to Top Cashback, how it works, and how you can earn money through the Top Cashback app. So first of all, what you want to do is get the Top Cashback app, and you can get this through the link in the description. And once you sign up and you make your first £10 in cashback, you will get a £10 bonus from signing up through my link. Now, once you've done this, what we can do is head over to the Top Cashback app. And this is what it looks like right here. So what you've got is you've got top offers. So you've got, voucher, you've got Crocs in, the top offers at the moment. If you scroll down, you'll also see the trending offers that we've got. So we've got stuff like Ticketmaster. We've also got Card Factory, Just Eat. So what you can do, you can use this on travel. You can use this on takeaways. You can use this on many different things. And what you can do is you can go ahead now and scroll down. You can now see travel deals. There is also fashion deals, so you've got places like eBay, Shein, M&S, there's many different places that you can use Top Cashback in order to earn a little bit of money back when you're buying things that you would usually buy in everyday life. Now, what you can do, first of all, once you find something that you want to buy, let's just say we want to buy something on Currys, what we can do is select the Currys one, and then as you can see, you can get up to 22% cashback, and then what you want to do is you want to click on this button right here. So what this will do then is it will redirect you over to Currys, and then it will take a couple of seconds, then you will get redirected over to the Currys website. And then as you can see, what you can do then is you can go through and you can choose any of the products. So let's just say we want to purchase a MacBook, for example. So what you would do is you would go ahead, search for your MacBook, you would find the model that you want. So for example, if I want to get this one, you would then just go through and purchase the item that you want. And then once you make your purchase through the Top Cashback link, it will take around 1 day for you to clear and get your cashback into your Top Cashback account. So if we head back over to Top Cashback, you will then click on this button right here, and then it will be shown in this section once your cashback has then cleared. So what you can do then is you can also go down to home. Another way that you can make a little bit of cashback and a little bit of money is to refer a friend to Top Cashback. Now to do this, if you click on more, you can then go to tell a friend, click on the tell a friend option right here, and then what you can do is copy this link, and then you will be able to send this link or also get your QR code, which would be this one right here. So what you get is you will get £25 in cashback, and then your friend will get a £10 bonus once they make their first £10 in cashback through the Top Cashback app. So that's just pretty much how you can use Top Cashback to make a little bit of money back and a little bit of extra income. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.